In this video, I am going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Acuity Scheduling. So in order to add your Afterpay to Acuity Scheduling, first head over to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com. You should be able to see in here this. The great thing about this is that if you already have a Squarespace account, you should be able to automatically use this Acuity Scheduling. You can log into your Squarespace account, or if you do not have those yet, you can click onto this Get Started or the Get Started right here under the bottom. So since I already have an account, let me click onto this Login option. From in there, you should be able to see this. So here is the Acuity Scheduling of one of my sites. Now, from there, if you want to actually add Afterpay to Active Scheduling, you can click on this integrations option and you can scroll down right here. You can see different kinds of integration. But as you can see, you can go over to accounting and financing and check if the actual Afterpay is right here. If it's not, you can head over and then add it into your actual settings. Now, we actually know that equity scheduling does not directly integrate with Afterpay for appointment bookings. However, Afterpay is primarily available for physical products sold through Squarespace Commerce, but it's not available for services or appointments booked through Equity. Now, if you want to connect your equity scheduling to payment processors like Stripe, you can head over and do this right here under the payments option into your actual account. So go over to the payment settings right here and you can connect your app to pay through the use of Stripe right here. You can also use Square Payment as well as PayPal, but I personally recommend using in here this Stripe for that particular reason. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.